In this part of the lesson, we'll do some real number addition. And real number addition is not that difficult to do. You just simply use the exact same principle as you did before, and you'd be able to add every single one of them. Now, one thing you have to mind is the decimal point that you're seeing right here. That decimal point should be considered as a little bit of a separation, or the radix should be a little bit of a separation. Obviously, whatever you do here must have a decimal point. All right, let me draw that properly. Here must have a decimal point when it is you're solving the question. So you simply add 5 and 4, 9, 1 and 3, 4, 49. I'll do the others. Notice the decimal point must maintain the position. So we'll start 1 and 9, 10. I put the 0. This one belongs in this position now. So 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 2 will be equal to 12. I put the 2. I simply place this 1 in the 1 position here. Before I do that, I need to put the decimal point here. And I simply add 1 and 3, which is 4, plus 6, which is 10. I put 10 here. I put a 0 here. I take the 1 and I put it in this 1's position here again. 1 and 1, 2. I get 2 point, sorry, not 2. I get 20.20. Now, whenever you get numbers, you should always remember, line up the decimal point or line up the radix, and you'd be able to solve the question easiest. Sometimes what people do is they will have something like 3.64, and then they will have to add 2.9. And what they will do is they will make the mistake of just simply putting it like this, 3.64, and then they will put 2.9, which will be wrong. You can't find that. When you're doing the additions, the decimal points must line up. So what it's supposed to look like would be 3.64, and then you would have the 2.9. Notice that they line up with each other. Let's look at the last one. So 2 plus 1, which is 3, 4 and 9, which is 13. Take the 3, bring it down, carry the 1 over to the next column. So this means that I have 1 plus 1 plus 9, which is 11. Take that 1, bring it down, put my decimal point or my radix in place. Then I take that 1 that remained from there and add it to that 3. I get 4. And then add that to 6, I get 10. So I get 10.13.